to say your name. It's more of, okay, so folks, obviously this is an older truck. What year is this?
68.
So this is why I kind of tracked down the owner. I want you to notice that this is definitely not a 68. So these are standard questions. How long have you had this truck?
About a year.
Okay, cool. So do you know the owner you bought it from, or was it just...
original owner.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You're the second owner?
Yep.
That's super crazy. Did he have this engine in it, or did you do this?
So one of his friends put the engine in, and I bought it from them. So.
Okay. Do you know where the engine came from?
2020 Mustang.
Mustang?
Yep.
No way. Okay, this thing's pretty hot. So I normally don't ask these ones, but what have you done with the suspension and transmission? Because that's a lot of power for this chassis.
The 10-speed that goes with the Coyote.
Blown away here.
So it's 10-speed, and the suspension, it's on front and rear QA1 coilovers. Rock pinion steering, drives like a new truck.
What about the fuel system to support this? Because this is not gonna be on your...
It's just a return style fuel system with everything stock that came with the Coyote. So.
Oh, okay, so it's got that pump. Okay, that makes sense. The Wilwood kit was already in there.
Wilwood kit was there.
So this thing basically is like a new car / truck, but it's got the look.
Yeah, it's a new truck. Got digital gauges. Yeah.
So what have you done it the year you've had it? Have you done anything on it, or you just maintain it? Really?
Drive fast. I did a new fuel system. He had a returnless system on it, so I switched to a return system.
Okay.
It was kind of giving me problems with the pulse.
Okay.
So we switched it to a return system, but
man, this thing is cool.
Yeah, it's fun truck.
So future plans?
It's for sale.
You're kidding me.
Yeah.
Where are you local to?
Lehigh.
Okay. What's the number if people are? Yeah. I mean, you like your phone number because I can maybe get someone that's interested for.
369-2113.
How much are you asking?
65.
Oh, 60. What? That's really low for something like this.
I think so too.
I thought you were telling me it was a 65. Hi. Yeah. Good. I'll come talk to you in a second.
Yeah,
okay, so 65. Wow. That is crazy. Because this is a lot of engineering. How much did they spend to do this build? 100 grand?
At least, yeah.
That just doesn't even make sense to me, but okay. You've had your fun with it. You've raced it. I bet you have just totally confused some people.
Yeah, it's fun.
And yeah, I've got a little sleeper, but nothing like this. I mean, this is crazy.
It's a fun truck.
God, I even forgot all the rest of my question. Anything that I wouldn't notice as I do a walk around that you want to tell me about?
The seats got lumbar. Seats are electric. Digital gauges. It's got it all, man.
Man, I really appreciate it. Thank you for the interview. This is a super cool truck. As far as I'm concerned, I haven't done the whole show yet, but I think this is kind of the jewel for what I'm into. And let me walk around. I'll show you what channel it's going to be on. Give me just a second. Yeah, look at the wheels. So basically, you heard what he said. All this is Coyote equipment, modern Mustang, but it's in this old Ford truck. Dude, I mean, this is crazy, isn't it? So all he's done is traded out the fuel system. I mean, you guys, I don't know what to say. You know, I don't care if you're a Ford or Chev or whatever your automotive affiliation is. You got to know this is something special. So I'm guessing it was over $100,000 to get this built. I'm guessing $120. He's selling it for $65,000. I mean, if you got the money to drop down on something, this is a special truck. So, I don't know. Think about it. Super cool. You'll confuse some people. Camaros and all kinds of stuff. Vets even.